Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make pumpkin peanut butter cups. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Fall has fell, and you know what that means. Pumpkin spice everything. Now, full transparency, I'm not one of those people who goes crazy for pumpkin spice. PSL just ain't my cup of tea. But when my friend Nick over at the Pot of Thunder podcast suggested peanut butter cups with pumpkin, I thought, okay, that could be something special. So here we are. Let's see how they turn out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own pumpkin peanut butter cups, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 10 ounces of milk chocolate melting wafers, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of pumpkin pie filling. I also used a silicone mold, a mixing bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Melt the wafers according to the package directions, then place a small amount of chocolate in each mold cavity, using a spoon to push the chocolate up the sides until the entire cavity is coated. Be careful here, too little chocolate and the candy will collapse when you pick it up. Too much, and you won't have room for the filling. Place the mold in the refrigerator while you make the filling. Add the peanut butter and pumpkin pie filling to a mixing bowl and mix until it's fully combined. I suppose you could use pureed pumpkin and add your own spices, but this is way more convenient. Remove the mold from the refrigerator and place a small amount of filling in each cavity. Use the back of a wet spoon to smooth out the filling, leaving room for the final layer of chocolate. Remelt the chocolate if necessary, then add a small amount to each cavity, making sure the filling is covered and the chocolate is level with the top of the cavity. Tap the sides of the mold to help the chocolate settle evenly. Return the mold to the refrigerator for about 5 minutes until the chocolate is completely set, then carefully remove the candy from the mold. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. You know what? This works really well. The pumpkin flavor's there, but it's not overwhelming. It adds a nice warmth to the peanut butter that makes it feel homey and cozy, if that makes sense. The peanut butter and the chocolate are still the stars of the show, but the pumpkin pie filling brings just enough spice and sweetness to make this feel like a proper fall treat. If you're looking for a seasonal take on traditional peanut butter cups, you really ought to try these.